Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hello, we are so happy for you to be here. Today we're talking about the ultimate guide to umbrella insurance on the College Investor Audio Show. All right, so when it comes to growing wealth, the best offense can actually be a good defense too. In particular, having insurance policies in place that can protect you from catastrophic events, that can be very important. Umbrella insurance. It's a type of insurance that protects your wealth when your car or homeowner's insurance doesn't protect you. But this extra insurance is, of course, an extra cost. Is it worth it? We will explain that right now. What is it? What is umbrella insurance? So it covers the gaps, basically, in your regular or homeowner's insurance policy. Protects you from if you're at fault for a significant accident. Imagine your RV bumping into a NASCAR vehicle at a race, for instance. Or if you're sued for negligence or liability. The umbrella insurance policy can provide additional financial security for you in any situation where your primary insurance policy, such as car, homeowners, or boat insurance, doesn't actually fully protect you. Traditionally, most people who carry umbrella insurance carry between $1 and $5 million in additional insurance. Woof. So when is umbrella insurance useful? Well, since umbrella insurance is an insurance policy that you carry in addition to car, home, and health, it's useful to consider when it might be useful. Does that make sense? The number one area that umbrella insurance comes in handy is in the event that you actually get sued. You might think, I don't go to stupid places with stupid people who do stupid things, so I'm not going to get sued. But that's not necessarily true. Anyone with a modest to high net worth could be the target of a lawsuit. A tenant on your rental property could sue you for negligence. You could get into a small fender bender and be required to pay massive penalties for negligence. Landlords, small business owners, anyone who serves on a board of a nonprofit, anyone who is suspected of having a high income, doctors, lawyers, engineers, and even people who volunteer in civic organizations, including coaching kids' sports, no kidding, can be sued. So how does it work? The exact details of umbrella insurance policies vary, of course, from policy to policy, but the policies follow kind of a general pattern. An umbrella insurance policy covers you for almost all liability costs up to the policy amount. If you get sued, for instance, your umbrella policy will cover legal fees associated with settling the case, as well as the amount of the judgment against you. That isn't covered by your auto or homeowner's insurance policy, I will tell you that. When you get sued, you will call your umbrella insurance company right away, and the insurance company will help you find an appropriate lawyer to help you through the litigation process. It's important to work with an informed insurance broker when you first buy an umbrella insurance policy. Be sure to explain whether you operate a business or rental properties. The broker can explain the types of insurance you need to have in place before you can buy umbrella insurance. And of course, how much does it cost? Well, it kind of depends on your age, your personal history, especially whether you've been convicted of a crime or if you've been sued before, how many assets you own, and your exposure to the public. In general, $1 million umbrella insurance policy will cost $150 to $360 when you buy it through your car and homeowner's insurance company. But the direct cost of umbrella insurance isn't the only cost to consider. Many people need to increase their auto liability and homeowner's liability coverage before they can buy umbrella insurance, so keep that in mind. The increased coverage can come with increased costs, meaning your total insurance costs could increase at least $200 to $500 per year, including the cost of the umbrella insurance. Do you need to buy it? Well, there's no hard and fast rule for when to buy umbrella insurance, but there are a few guidelines. I think, personally, all doctors and lawyers should strongly consider buying this insurance, since they're targets of lawsuits mostly. Small business owners, landlords should also plan to buy it, as they have a high liability risk. Most other people should only buy umbrella insurance once they have enough assets to justify the cost. If you've got a paid-off house or more than $100,000 outside of retirement accounts, umbrella insurance, probably worthwhile. That's it for today, kind of a short one. But if you've heard that term before, you might just been wondering, what's that all about? Do I need it? Somebody told me to buy it. Should I? Well, I hope that was helpful in making your decision, and the right decision too, for you and your family. If you know somebody who might find this helpful, maybe a lawyer, doctor, somebody like that, send this their way too. We'd really appreciate it. You can find out more about umbrella insurance, all kinds of different insurance, even ways to make some extra money, and investing tips. All of it at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thank you so much for listening today, and we'll talk to you again soon.